Good morning, lovely students. So, today I have brought chapter number 3 Atoms and Molecules from Chemistry, Science, Class 9, Part 1. It is very interesting chapter from your essay 2. I hope you'll like it. Let's start. Atoms and Molecules, basic unit of everything. Atoms. All matter is composed of atom. Understanding the structure of atom is critical to understanding the nature of biological molecules. So whatever you find in your surroundings, they all are made up of tiny atoms. Atomic structure. Atoms are composed of protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons are positively charged, neutrons are neutral in charge, and electrons are negative charged particles. Protons and neutrons are located in nucleus. Electrons are found in orbit surrounding the nucleus. Atomic structure. Every different atom has characteristics number of protons in the nucleus. Atomic number. The number of proton is equal to atomic number, or sometimes number of electron is also called the atomic number. Atoms with the same atomic number have the same chemical properties and they belong to same elements. Atomic structure. Each proton and neutron has the mass approximately 1 Dalton. The sum of proton and neutron is called atomic mass. What are isotopes? Atoms of same element that have different atomic mass, that means number of neutrons are different, but they have same number of atomic number, that is number of protons are same, are called the isotopes. Chlorine and hydrogen have 3 isotopes and 2 isotopes respectively. Now you can see the structure, how the atom is formed. In the center, protons are there within the nucleus and neutrons are also there inside the nucleus. So all the atomic mass is there in the center, but atom is hollow from the surroundings. So electrons are moving in the orbit surrounding the nucleus. You can see the structure of carbon. Carbon has 6 protons. So 6 protons inside the nucleus and 6 electrons surrounding outside. Oxygen has 8 atomic number. Phosphorus and calcium. Ions. Loss or gain of electrons make atom into ions. So they gain either positive or negative charge. Isotopes. Atoms that gain or lose neutron become isotopes. Radioactive isotopes are used in medicine for imaging, such as PET scanners. You can see here hydrogen atom, carbon atom and oxygen atom. You can see all the protons and neutrons are within the nucleus and the same number of electron to equal to the number of proton are rotating around the shells, which are called energy orbits. Ionic bonding. When two elements and two molecules are combined by the gain or the loss of electrons, they form the ionic bonding. For example, Na plus and Cl minus. An ionic compound NaCl, which is generally found common salt and the crystal structure. Ionic substance tend to form crystal lattice rather than the distinct molecules. Covalent bonding. Sharing of an electron when two elements or molecules combine together with the sharing of an electrons are called the covalent bonding. Here example is given of hydrogen and oxygen. So water, 2 molecules of hydrogen combine with the 1 molecule of oxygen with the electron sharing, forming covalent bonding. You can see polar covalent bonding. So that is H2O, 2 hydrogen are bonded together with 1 oxygen. That is the sharing of an electron. Polar bonding between the atoms produce a polar molecules which has areas with slightly positive or the slightly negative charges. Polarity. Salt dissolve in the water, oil does not. Molecules bond together. Weak attractive force between the molecules are called the hydrogen bonds. Here, sugar, polar substance, is in solution with the water. Mark where the hydrogen bonds are formed. You can see the blue linings are nothing but the hydrogen bonds. I hope introductory video was quite interactive, and we will talk about atoms and molecules in detail with the coming PPTs.